For the past 30 years, I've traveled to every corner of Western Canada by highway, backroad, mining, and logging roads, deep into the backcountry. This YouTube channel will take you on overlanding, hiking, fly fishing, photography, and adventures to places that few people get to experience. Come with me while I explore the backroads of BC, the Yukon, and the Northwest Territories, all the way to the Arctic Ocean. Along the way, you'll discover how I plan these trips, how I'll document them, how I plan on living, all the gear used, camping recipes, and the adventures and hardships along the way. I'll offer my backcountry travel advice from vehicle options, RVs, truck camping, and vacation rentals. As a full-time commercial and fine art photographer, these adventures are my business and the locations will be my office. I hope you enjoy my vision of the natural world as much as I enjoy creating it for you. Your support of this channel by subscribing and liking each of the videos is greatly appreciated.